Hello everyone, now I am going to demonstrate the flat felt stitch for you. Flat felt stitches are found on jean pants or on jean jackets where they look like this when you see double stitch on top of it, and inside, if you look, there is no seam allowance exposed, so the fraying edge of the fabric is concealed inside of this stitch. So this is what we need to get. In order for us to do that stitch, we need to put the fabric's wrong side to the wrong side, where obviously the right side is exposed, and we're going to pin 3/4 of an inch away from the edge of the fabric, since our stitch is going to be 3/4 of an inch away from the fraying edge of the fabric. So after I pinned my samples to each other, where I'm seeing the right side of the fabric up, and then I applied one single stitch 3/4 of an inch away from the edge of the fabric. Now I'm going to press my seam so it rests and relaxes, and getting ready for the next step. Actually, you can see that my seam allowance is showing on the right side of the fabric. My intention is to fold the edge for about 1/4 of an inch and fold it like this and stitch. And in order for my edge to come up straight and nice, I'm going to press this 1/4 inch in advance straight, so when I stitch, my seam is not crooked. Therefore, I want you to fold this fabric edge 1/4 inch in and press it. Okay, so you see my folded edge of the fabric is going to let me to easily fold it straight. Stretch your fabric a little bit so it doesn't get grabbed under your stitch like this, and press it one more time from the top. As you can see, my seam is very relaxed and it will be easy for me to work on it. I'm going to pin my folded edge to the fabric so it will not twist while I'm stitching. When you're very experienced, you most probably would be able to successfully stitch it without even pinning. But since this is your first time applying the stitch, it will be a good idea to pin it like this. My intention is to stitch right at the edge of the fabric, about 1/16 of an inch or generous 1/16 of an inch away from the edge. So here's my finished sample, and I'm going to press it one more time. And again, double checking myself. You see the wrong side is clean, there is no seam allowance exposed, and the right side has 2 stitches on it. So this will conclude my demonstration of flat felt stitch for you. See you next time.